recording going up this hill so A, I don't die alone, in case I do, and B, because it seems whenever I try to get good content, like filming cool creatures or something, but I record it, nothing cool happens. So if someone wants to prove me wrong, snake up here. I'm always right. Okay, now we go up the hill. This is a heavy workout, especially with my backpack, which weighs around 2 tons. This is the backyard because I think most of you haven't seen it. Most of you haven't seen most of it, so. Whew. Now we have to pray that the door is unlocked because I don't have the keys. If not, we're going to slouch around and pretend that we're homeless until some god takes pity on me and shows me another entrance. Whew. I don't understand why I didn't go up this non-steep way instead of risking my life for content. It was worth the content. It's always worth the content, no matter how dangerous. Famous last words. Alright, we made it successfully.